guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stadia 0. I'm joined by the Hustler, the chairman of Kokuka Extension Brand. Yeah. Sinamuva, let's see what I mean. Yeah. Please, guys. Got a question. Oh, mama, babu, now, mama. We are not to talk too much today. Yeah. Hey, hello, mama, lo. Yeah. He's my deputy secretary. Ari, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Unusasa wase-Witbank i-Deputy Secretary ngijabule kakhulu i-Sundowns iwinile namuhla so ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngokhoza cause yasicindezela but against all the odds i-Stars yobuya naso esethu siyasibuyisa la e-South Africa bathanda bangathandi i-star esethu Last but not least, Kaizer Chiefs ibophisa ama-supporter wabo nebabophisa the team lena ayithandi ma-supporter wabo you must think before ni supporter le team that's why there will be no young kid will support that team ibophisa umuntu we are not doing well in the bophisa land right now the guy went there Sibo into funu ngishone last but not least izokushaka buhlungu Sundowns izokushaka buhlungu Sundowns Stars sizongena